Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making red puree sauce pois.
This is Edie. That's Sos Kitchen. Welcome in my channel. So, si c'est première fois ou venez sur channel, thank you very much. We are family. Subscribe, please. Thumb up. Thanks very much. Jeudi à la, nous allons faire sauce pois. Sauce pois rouge. Avec coconut milk. 2 tasses pois. Ok? 2 pieds poireaux. Moitié oignon, 2 cuillères d'huile, 2 graines d'ail, moitié coconut, 4 tasses d'eau. Ok? Thumb up, Sos Kitchen. Love you. Je vais laver pour mettre sur du feu. Thank you. Alors, 4 tasses d'eau, 2 pieds poireaux, moitié oignon. 2 graines de garlic, 2 gros cuillères d'huile.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are making a red sauce pois. So first what you need is 2 cups of romaine beans. You're going to add that to a pot with 4 cups of water. You're going to add your half of an onion, 2 green onion stems, 2 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of oil, as well as half a cup of coconut milk. And you let that sit for about an hour.
Ça c'est coco hier, depuis couler là m'a mettre le bouillir. La bien bon goût, bon taste. C'est pas dans le deuxième là pour nous mettre depuis la première fois. Okay?
And we also added a stem of carrot in here as well.
Thanks.
1 hour later.
Hey, this one, I'm going to put 2.5 cup water. That's 3 cups. Wait for 5 minutes. If you can blend it. Thank you. Ok. Jeudi à là, nous allons faire purée pois. Nous allons blender tout pois net, nous allons quitter graines.
So normally when we make sauce pois, we leave some beans, but this time we're going to have it pureed, so we're going to blend everything, so it's not going to be a grain of beans like left in it. If you want to have that, you can, but this time we're not going to do it. We're just going to have it pureed.
Make sure you make it some puree.
And we're using a strainer because it ensures that everything is nice and smooth, and there's like no lumps in the pureed sauce pois. So that's why it's good to like use a strainer. can see, there is some like excess that wasn't like nice and pureed, so that we just toss away, and we only use like this liquid part of it.
That's very thick. And then salt and piment, Parsley, that's it. A spoon salt, and then you have to taste your food to see. Zero, 4, 5, that's it. Okay, that's puree pois. Now, if you, my dear, my beautiful